Hello! If your headphones headband cushion looks just as bad as mine, today I will show you how to easily remove and replace the JBL Quantum 800 gaming headset headband cushion at home quickly. Before starting, make sure to get a new headband cushion. The link to the cushion is in the video description. Take a flat tool and carefully slide it between the headband cushion base and the headband frame. Then gently try open the old cushion. A butter knife works well here. If you are vegan, a margarine knife will do just fine. Once the old headband cushion is removed, take the new one and align its corners with the headband's corners. First, press one end into place and then tuck in the other end of the headband cushion. Be careful during this step to avoid breaking the cushion frame. Once both ends are in place, slowly press the cushion onto the headphone headband until it's fully secured to the headphone frame. And that's it! Congratulations! You have restored your favorite gaming headphones. Goodbye!